This is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. And starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities provided both orally, written, or electronically are for demonstration and educational purposes only. The company doesn't take responsibility for any profits or losses that subscribers may incur. Everyone, I believe, understands that trading is risky and that you can lose a substantial amount of money. Therefore, trading is not appropriate for everyone. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to making a trade. To look at the, if you looked at the stock market indices, Dow, Russell, Dow, Nasdaq, and E-mini, it would seem like this is an easy market to trade, but it hasn't been. Market breadth is diminishing significantly, and this market is rising on the backs of fewer and fewer stocks. But I want to show you what I think are two really optimal, really good trades. Now, there was a tremendous amount of unusual options activity right here on XLE. It just about called the top on the Select Spider Energy ETF, which brought us all the way down to here. See, the blue line is support. There's a bounce, but I think energy is going lower. And I think this is a great time to either short this position or buy a put or create a bearish spread position. You can see that the multi-time frame alignment and trend is red. Now we don't have a scanner signal yet. We have to break the 50, and we're going to have to break this blue line, which is support. So we've got a short right around a break at 48 even. We're only a few cents away from it. Keep my eye on this closely. On this break to the downside, I would take this trade short. I think there's nowhere to go for energy but down. And then we picked one to the downside. Now we're going to look for one to the upside. And this is the global funds uranium ETF. And you can see that we got a nice move up on uranium from 18 and change to 20 and change. It's now retraced, and it's not in a position to trade right now. But on a break of this pivot right here at 2029, clean break at around 2035, I would take uranium long. You can buy the stock or create a bullish options position. If you do create an options position, I would make it a long-term one. In fact, I would take uranium out 6 months or more. But we still have to break resistance to the upside. But if we look at what's going on in the world right now, there's this tremendous pressure to shut down fossil fuel production and decrease fracking. And with that, already the Japanese are looking to put 20 older reactors back online. Then there's probably going to be demand for creating new reactors to pick up the slack, which I'm not sure solar and wind are going to be able to do for a very long period of time. So I'm very bullish on uranium. Let's just give it a little bit of time to mature to the upside. Again, right around 2035, 2040. We're going to game it to break resistance here at 2057, and then take a really nice move to the upside past resistance here at 2073. Everyone have a really great weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday evening.